Oh, you want to learn Chinese from zero? Let's go. Okay, this beginner course is for you. You will learn pronunciation, tones, and simple sentences. So this beginner course is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can go and work with me. Very simple words, Chinese word, Chinese go for. Yeah. So you will learn how to say hello, how are you, how old are you, where are you from. You learn how to say when, how, where. We learn how to say how much, how long, how far. Now I can, like for example, I want to say I am, or let me start from I, I, you, he, she, them, we, you. Like I, 我 you, 你 him or her, 他 them, 他们 us, 我们 you guys, 你们 okay, I, 你 he or she, them, us or you, 我 你 他 他们 我们 你们. Like for example, I am 我是 I am. You are 你是 I am 我是 You are 你是 He or she is he is she is, we say 他是 he is or she is, we say 他是 So like 他是我的朋友 He or she is my friend. 朋友 means friend. 朋友 friend. So 他是 he is 我的我 means I. 我的 means mine. 我 means I myself. I. 我的 means mine. 他是 he is or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。他是我的朋友。He or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。She is my friend. 他是我的朋友。He is my friend. 他是 he is. 他是 she is. So, like for example, we say he is my friend or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。他是我的朋友。He or she is my friend. 他是我的朋友。He is my friend. Right? Friends. We are friends. 我们 we are. 我们是朋友。We are friends. We are friends. 我们是朋友。They are friends. They are friends. 他们 they are. 他们是朋友。They are friends. You are friends. 你们是朋友。你们是朋友。You are friends. You are friends. We are friends. They are friends. You are friends. 我们是朋友。 他们是朋友，你们是朋友。We are friends，我们是朋友。We are means 我们是朋友。We are friends. They are friends. 他们是朋友。They are 他们 They are friends. 他们是朋友。You are friends. You guys, you are friends. You are friends. 你们是朋友。You are friends. You are 你们朋友 friends. 你们是朋友。You are friends. Okay. Okay. 我 means I. 你 means you. 他 means he or she. 你们 means you.我们 means we. 他们 means them. Okay. I am your friend. 我是你的朋友。You are my friend. 你是我的朋友。他们是我的朋友。They are my friends. 他们是我的朋友。他们是你的朋友。They are my friends. They are your friends. 你们是我的朋友。我是你们的朋友。You are my friends. I am your friend.